Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. We are back here once again, Corvette World, Dallas, Texas. We are starting a new build series on my CA Corvette. You guys know I have the addiction to carbon fiber. Now we're moving it to the outside. So today we're starting with a new wing from EOS Extreme online store. It is an exposed carbon fiber wing. We're gonna get that installed today. Keith will be doing that. You guys know I love Keith. Keith does all the work on my car. So let's run back there and let's get started. All right, guys, so this is everybody knows Keith, the infamous Keith right here, Keith. So he does all the work on our cars. As you know, Steve and I bring our cars here for pretty much everything, anything that we can't do. All right, guys, so right now, this is what I have. Everything is carbon flash at the moment. So we are going to be removing the carbon flash high wing for the C8 Corvette, and we're gonna be swapping it out to that one right over there, which we'll look at a little bit better here in a minute. But carbon fiber, next thing will be side skirts, front splitter. There's a lot of things that I'm planning on doing, and some of this stuff I'm sure Keith will be involved in. Some of them I may try to do on my own. We'll just have to see, but new wheels coming today as well. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead, and we got it up on the lift because the most efficient way is to remove the back wheel, because we need to access a couple of bolts and a screw in here. But the easiest way to do that is to lift it, remove the wheel, pull the wheel liner back, and then be able to access it that way. It makes it so much easier than trying to do it with the wheel in the way.
Absolutely.
So that's why
it's more efficient.
More efficient. Keith knows efficiency.
But it's more efficient, and I believe in efficiency.
Yes, he does. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get that done, and then we'll take a look at the next step. All right, guys, so this is the carbon fiber high wing spoiler from EOS Extreme online store. This is what we are getting ready to install here in just a second. So I'm excited because, you know, I've told you guys I have a carbon fiber addiction. So anyway, but this will be an exact replica of the carbon flash when I have only carbon fiber. So Keith's in the process of getting the wheel liners out. So as you see, he's already taken out, there's a handful of screws and some push pins and things, and you have to remove the splash guard, you know, first. But anyways, got this out, and see how much access you have to be able to get inside here to release the screws you need on this panel. Is gonna make a huge difference. All right, so this is why you come to Corvette World to get your stuff installed. You got people like Keith that have tools like this. You know, pull this thing off, and we're gonna set it right on top of this little horse right here.
Because we got that extra balance.
Yes.
That we got to be real careful, because it fits real snug and hangs on.
It does.
So you have to work a little bit at getting this apart.
Yeah, you've got to be careful because of the extra balance on the bottom right there.
There we go.
We got the foot in play.
Put us in place.
Now we have stuff to disconnect on the inside. I remember that from the last time we took this off.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we got the rear fascia off, and see what a great product this is. That horse right there is absolutely so helpful. And the wing doesn't touch anything. It's got the little rubber seal right there. Fantastic. All right, I want to say thank you to Keith, because, you know, always the man, always the man. Nobody touches our cars but Keith. And again, thank you to Corvette World. But this is the final product. So, you know, we had the carbon flash high wing spoiler on here, and now we are at the carbon fiber from EOS. And man, I am really happy. I love the carbon fiber look. You guys know my addiction. So we got more parts coming, but this was just the first step. So EOS knocked it out of the park. And again, I can't say thank you enough to Keith. Always the man. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it. Hope everybody has a great week. Thanks for watching.